Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this is my monthly progress video. So yeah, in the past month I've been practicing, decently. Definitely better than before. I'll show you guys my practice sessions. So yeah, during the month of March, as you can see, these are all the days I've practiced. Yeah, see, you can see there's a decent amount of sessions in, so yeah, definitely better than before. And yeah, my goal is to get a sub 20 average of 12. In practice, I managed to get in a sub 20 average of 12 about, I would say like 10-20% of the time, so which is not that much. But we'll see if we can get it on video today. Sorry about this bright light coming out from my window. It's currently almost sunset, so I apologize. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I am driving to my parents' house today, which is like an hour away, and yeah, I don't have any time to lose, so let's just get started. So I just did a very quick warm-up, just one slow solve, one quick solve, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay. This will be a hard one. Oh, gotta change this to type. Shoot. What the heck? Option, timer, enter time with typing. Okay. That last layer was freaking terrible. Terrible execution. I do get a sub 20 average of 12, I'm literally gonna jump up for joy. Absolutely terrible PLO there. Might have to see you guys next month. It's not looking too good. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, final result. Average of 12 is 20.82 seconds, which is not too bad. I mean, I think that's an improvement from last month. But yeah, I do apologize for this light again. What a terrible time to record a video. But yep, GG's. I will keep practicing, hopefully. And yeah, definitely keep improving. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.